Yeah, man, sure, why not?
Awesome.
Let me share my screen because I have some really great news, but also bad news.
Oh no.
Can't be that bad.
Yeah,
Oh,
let me just share my screen.
mhm.
Okay, so are you guys able to see my screen now?
Yeah, we
Mhm.
can see it.
Yeah, so basically now, fir- first of all, like I should introduce the idea to Apolso because he has joined like the first time with me. So basically, if I like open my tabs, where are they? Uh, yeah, yeah. So basically, what I am trying to solve is because everybody faces a single most I would say the common problem every entrepreneur faces the challenge, and that is to how to acquire users. Okay, how to get started to have to gain users for whatever the product or service I am trying to offer. Okay, if for example Opal sir who has his bot already developed, he has some right now initial users who are testing it and playing with it. So if Opposer was not able to uh, gain some kind of users, he would use my platform which I am building to try to gain the users. Okay, so how you would be able to gain the users is right now what you are saying is the front end of my platform. Okay, the platform name is Promoseed. Okay, and it looks very similar to Twitter as you guys already see it. Here is a feed, and right side these are some I can say documentations or guide. So whenever the new visitor comes, if he is not able to understand, he can then just open it and maybe try to read all the content and understand it. What is the purpose behind this thing? Okay. So here in the middle there would be a feed. Okay. Here all the magic would be happening, I should say. Okay. And here left, this is the most important, and I would say the most uh, important feature of my platform. That would be the categories. Okay. Uh, so in plain language, what my platform is basically is my platform is basically built on top of Twitter. Okay. As you can see, what I would be displaying is a here are the tweets. Okay. I would be displaying the tweets from all over the Twitter. Okay. That is the reason why I 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago, I inboxed in the Twitter hey, give me some really good tweet handles so that I can start displaying those engaging tweets on my platform. So I have started to create a long list of people that are high engaging profiles on Twitter. Okay. Uh, if I can show you some right now, here you can see I have creating a sheet. Basically, these are the handles. As you can see, Paul G, who is a YC, I think he's a partner of Y Combinator or something like that. So, and this is the hidden part, which normal people won't be able to experience, but I am gonna tell you guys because it is important. So basically, what this is that this is I am setting the I should say the popularity, the engagement rate. This is the binary. I think I should call it a Boolean expression, maybe something like that. Because right now, as you can see, this is Paul G, and I have given it the value of 1, which means this person is a highly engaging profile. Okay, this person's Twitter profile is very high engaging. Okay, and when you see 0, that means this person is not as high engaging as compared to the Twitter profiles who have this value of 1. Okay, Now, engaging by engaging, I don't mean like the frequency of tweeting. Okay. For example, if Paul G is tweeting only one time in a week, but I have given it the value of one, that means that that one single tweet has the drastic impact. Okay. It has a lot of like impact on like I should say the engagement. People are like jumping on that tweet and like going crazy on it basically. But when like Sohail, this person tweets, even if this person tweets every single day, but his tweets have like very like mediocre level engagement, I am gonna like give it the value of zero. So that's so why am I doing it? Why am I like doing this? This is the like point. I am doing this is because as you guys can see, uh, yeah, here that here you will see both kind of tweets, okay? The most engaging one also and the tweets that have like mediocre level engagement. But what would be what I would be doing at the backend is like sorting the tweets. Basically, whenever high engagement profile tweets, those tweets would be first displayed at the top, and when the most like engaging tweets are over from the I should say the database or something, then after that the mediocre level of like tweets will start showing up. If that makes sense, are you guys understanding?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the like idea behind like giving these the value of one and zero. One means like highly engagement, and the zero means mediocre level engagement. Okay, so right now like I have 101 people in this, but I have also like collected other maybe I would say the total number of tweet handles I have selected right now is like basically 200, 200, 250 something like total like tweet handles which I have like uh kept my eye on. Basically, I would be like scraping those tweet profiles. Okay, so opposer, do you like understand what is the like idea behind my platform?
Yeah.
Yeah, so basically, I would like tell again. Basically, what I am doing is I am basically scraping the tweets. As you can see in the URL, there is this thing which is the tweet handle of this profile. Okay, so I am like I have a like bot puppeteer bot which like goes to the handle and like scraps the most like recent tweets from it. The basically the idea is that I want to like capitalize on the audience of these people. For example, if I go to like Elon Musk or something who has like a lot of I should say engagement on his like tweets. So if I go on Twitter and I see basically yeah this if I see Elon Musk tweet, I know the fact that man this tweet is going to like kill that Twitter. Okay, this tweet is going to go viral. Okay, so basically what my bot will do is that it would be like fetching every single like maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, 1 minute passes, it would like again go to this URL, scrap it, and basically check whether if there is a new tweet from Elon Musk or not. If there is new tweet, then I would like uh, get a notification. Basically, it would like send me the notification, hey, Elon Musk just tweeted, so jump on it. So I would like jump on it and then like start doing the promotion that I want to do. If opposer left, I think opposer left.
Oh, he'll probably be back. He may have just
Yeah,
had connection issues.
yeah.
But yeah,
Should I?
keep going because it's
Yeah,
being
yeah,
recorded.
yeah. So yeah. So whenever like the new tweet would pop up, I will also like get a notification and then use it and then promote my whatever the thing I want to promote. Okay, that's the like simple basic idea. And if you like think for a second, how does these for example Twitter uses advertising basically when like I promote my tweet, okay, when I like pay to promote my tweet, what they are doing, they are also like doing the same thing if you like think it that way. Because let's say I go to homepage, okay, I am seeing all my like followers tweets, and in those tweets in the middle of something, I would see basically a promoted tweet, as you guys have may experienced it. Okay, in the middle of the feed, you see the promoted tweets. So this is the same thing I am going for. But in the comment section, I would like go in the people like would go in the comments, okay, and then maybe see your like self-promoted message, and then maybe check out or do something whatever you have like entered in the comment section. So that's the like basic idea I am trying to like capitalize on, as I like explained to Keon and Mario in the last session also. So what I want to like show you guys is that, because the good news is, as you guys already see, I have the front end up and running. Okay, basically the front end part is done. 80% of the front end part is done, but there is one bad news that is like stopping me from like giving you the access, I should say, and that is basically I was like testing last night and I saw a major problem. What the problem was that, as you guys know, if I can go in the notifications, you see, there are every like maybe couple of minutes the bot is like trying to log in into the Twitter and then go to the profile and then scrap it. Okay, so Twitter has somehow detected it. Okay, Twitter has somehow detected it that, man, this is some kind of bot activity. So it's not like they haven't like blocked me or anything, right? But they have like some kind of red flags on my profile. Okay, because when my bot is trying to log in, it sees a pop-up. It sees a pop-up. Hey, we see a suspicious activity. Please enter your email so that we can like authenticate that it's actually you who are trying to log in. So that's the like number one like I am facing the problem right now. And if that problem is solved, then like the platform is up and running, and I will like share the platform link with you guys, with everyone like who would like to test it. So the number one problem, man, I am facing is right now is how to like keep the puppeteer bot logged in. That's how I'm gonna solve the problem. Because if I somehow do do something that it doesn't have to like log in again and again and again, then I would like surpass the Twitter, I should say the restriction or something like that, whatever they are going. So I tried to do it last night. As you guys already know that I have a co-partner. So he was also with me like working on this problem. So but so far like we haven't like got a solution which like works for, but hopefully we will like find a way to like bypass this and get up and running. So that's basically the update. And if I show you the workings, if I can, yeah. So basically this is the mobile view of the my Promoseed platform. It would be a progressive web app. Okay, you guys would be able to like install it on your phone so that you guys don't have to every time go to the link and do all that shit together. Okay, so when you like open the platform, you see this feed. Okay, you see the home feed, you see here all the latest tweets from amazing profiles with amazing engagement rates. Then if you want to copy the link of that tweet, you just gonna copy that, and then maybe in a Chrome in your browser paste it, and then it will like just redirect you straight to the tweet on the on the Twitter page. Okay, but if you don't want to like copy the link, if you want to directly like go to the uh tweet, then you are gonna like click on this comment on tweet button, which will like redirect you straight to the tweet, and then you will be able to like start comment on it. So that's the idea. Now, another thing is that basically I was talking about the notifications, but here it is. You will see the notifications here. Okay. As you guys see here, I am, if I can like zoom in. So yeah, here you will see the tweet handle which posted and what would be the time, basically seconds ago or maybe minute ago when the tweet was posted by a tweet handle. So if you want to like copy that tweet, you are gonna just click this button and copy the link and paste it into the browser and just straight go to the Twitter and comment on it. One important thing I want to mention is that basically you can see this thing. This thing is the, I should say, the number of new tweets my system would be fetching. Okay. The first time you visit here, you will see the most recent tweets. Okay. But after some time you will see that this value will grow. At at the first time this value would be zero, and after some time, depending on the frequency rate of the tweets coming fetching, so this value would be I should say incrementing. Okay. For example, if there is two tweets newly posted by someone, so here the value would be two. So it would become like two tweets fetched. So when I refresh, click on the refresh button, it will fetch those also. So that's the kind of basically the batch processing I am trying to go with it. Okay. Because if I continuously fetch that feed, you guys won't be able to use it, because you will lost you will get lost in the ocean of tweets. I should say. So that's the reason I have do this, so that you guys can know when there's time to fetch the latest tweet. So you guys click the button and the tweets are fetched. And same goes for the alerts. Okay. You guys would see the alerts. Okay. If you guys want to see this thing, then you guys will click the refresh button, and those new alerts would pop up here. Okay. This is the home page. If I go to this page would be the category part, which I mentioned last time also. So here all your dynamic categories would be displayed. Uh, as I talked in the last session, if sports category, maybe some kind of tech community or tech category, or some kind of crypto category. That just depends on how different type of content I will be scrapping, and then how different how many categories we can generate from those tweets. So uh, if Mario can better explain the idea, because he was the person who gave me the idea of this. Basically, he told me that, hey, use AWS comprehend to to generate when categories for categorizing the tweets. Basically, he told me in the last session, so I would be choosing that. But this section would be coming later. Maybe when I will launch, there would be only this thing. But after maybe some 1 or 2 weeks later, this section would also become active. Okay. And then there would be last section, which would be the basically that same instructions and examples, and that basically the guide, hey, how to use it and how to get started with it. So that's the uh, update regarding the front end and the back end. So that's it. If you guys have questions, you can ask me. I would love to answer those. And now you guys can ask me the questions.
Just to start off, you've done a lot of work in the past 2 weeks. I'm impressed.
Yeah,
I
yes,
like I think part of the front end that I really like is I like
yeah.
your choice of font. It's really cool. It's a great font. It's a great font choice. It's different.
Yeah, yeah,
I love it. Looks really great. It's kind of unfortunate that you encountered the user login detection, the bot
yeah,
detection
man.
stuff.
That's
Yeah.
just killing me. That's just killing me, bro.
Yeah, the
It,
last time I
yeah,
was saying that, I was like, oh man, I wonder if that's going to become a problem during development. But maybe you can use a reverse proxy or something.
yeah. I have hope we would we would figure out some kind of way to bypass. This is not something that is totally unlike solvable. This is
Yeah.
solvable. So I'm gonna do something, because that's the backbone of my platform. If that doesn't
Hmm. It's solvable. It's definitely solvable. So I see you have so with the mobile view, are you going to put that on the iOS App Store? I think His internet went
Yeah,
out.
so it looks like he has connection issues, right? Because I see
Yeah.
that his screen is frozen.
Yeah, it looks frozen. Just give him a minute.
Okay.
I've had the same issue as well. I was kicked off the meeting, so I joined through my phone.
Oh, really? Is it your internet or is it? I wonder if
It's my
hosting.
internet. My entire internet's just frozen.
Huh. Okay. That's too bad. But we'll give him a second to rejoin.
I just noticed his battery was 0%.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh man, no way. You didn't plug it in. That's a very rare thing to see, actually. Someone's
I mean,
battery
yeah, it
died.
happens.
I've never had that happen to me before. Maybe once or twice when I was young, but I'm very stickler about battery life. That makes me nervous, actually. Seeing my battery at like less than 10%.
Yeah, mine is always plugged in, so I don't have those issues.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm either on my desktop most of the time, or if I'm out, then I bring my laptop. But other than that, I'm a desktop guy. I love desktops.
Well, I do have something for him if he does watch this. So I don't know if he's using OAuth to connect to his application, but if that's the case, he is granted 2 tokens. I think that it's an access token. And with that access token, you could get the refresh token. So you wouldn't have to connect the user over and over again. You could just use the refresh token.
And this is for OAuth type of authentication.
Yeah, it's for OAuth.
Yeah, that might solve this. Might really like help solve this problem. Hopefully, he comes back. Let's see if he's been messaging me on Twitter. Yeah, it looks like I got one from him. My laptop just shut off. I'm joining in again. Okay, so he'll be here.
Okay.
Yeah, and you also said that something too. Yeah. You know, honestly, I wasn't too surprised that he came across that that error with, or that like issue with staying logged in and not getting kicked off by Twitter. I think that, especially with the rate limit that they set, you know, a month ago, like that was definitely going to be an issue. But it looks like he'll be able to figure it out. But there's always a way around that, to be honest. You can use a whole host of tricks. So. I want to give him the chance so you can give him your suggestion yourself and all that stuff. If anyone has any other questions or suggestions, but we'll just wait a little bit. But the next time I'm going to implement, I keep forgetting to do this, but implement a timer. That way we can have more timed sessions and it can be a little bit more organized. I said this last time in the last one, but I've been busy, so I kind of, that was like not as big of a priority, but I'm definitely gonna write this one down.
Yeah. It's still early.
Still early, but I think it's good to start now rather than wait later until it gets crazier.
Okay, he's connecting to audio now.
There he is. Can you hear us? Oh, still connecting. Hey, Salman. Made it back. You're muted, I believe.
Guys, can you hear me?
No, it doesn't look like it.
Yep, we can hear you.
Yeah, I have a like problem with my laptop. Like I don't know why it just like shut off completely, and it has right now 0% battery in it. So I have joined with my phone right now.
Okay.
So sorry for the like inconvenience. But basically that the thankfully I showed every single like update regarding the platform. So I hope you guys have like liked it.
Oh yeah. No, it's great. I
Yeah.
think your front end's looking awesome. Your mobile app. Are you going to be putting that on iOS
Yeah,
marketplace, App Store?
my strategy is this like basically if uh, if for example let's suppose in the next 1 or 2 days I figure out this problem and make a solution, okay,
Hmm.
then what I would is like I would like share with you guys, okay. I have like 10 to 15 people who are like sitting there and ready to like test it, okay. So I
Hmm.
would be like starting the testing process, okay. When the test during the testing process there is a chance that you guys would be able to like find some bugs or maybe face some problems. So I would like if there are some problems that would like arise, I would like solve those first. If there are no problems, then I would like launch it in the public. And basically when I would like launch in public, I would have my platform in a PWA shape, okay, in PWA format. So basically, people would be able to like on their Android phones or iOS phones, they would be
Hmm.
able to like download it. But I can
Nice.
guarantee, but I can guarantee that the platform will be available on Play Store or App Store,
Hmm.
because that takes some time in to like do for it. So maybe in if I see a lot more demand or something like that, then I would like first do those also. Maybe push my app to the App Store and Play Store also. So that's the like strategy. So during the yeah, one thing I want to mention is that during the testing process, I would like give you the platform. Okay. So what you guys have to do is like you guys have to take full advantage of it. Okay. Basically, just smash it to the wall and something. Just use
Hmm.
it for the like time being. Okay, use
Okay.
it for a lot of time. Basically give it a lot of time, see what you what you take from it, okay, what advantage you got from it, and then share your like experience with me, okay. If you guys have some notes or something, that would be also like pretty good for me, okay.
Absolutely.
Any issues regarding whether the UI or whether the system being slow or whether the system not functioning properly, anything you guys face, just note it. And any idea you guys get during the usage, also note it. Then share those with me when I ask. Then I would like work on those and implement those ideas or fix some bugs if there are any. Okay, that's the point.
Sure. Absolutely.
Yeah. Yep.
Apple, sorry, you said you wanted to, you had something to share with Salman, right?
Sure. Sure.
Yeah, so sorry about this. I recently just rejoined through my PC. So, whoops. Let me disconnect from my phone
Sure.
and set the camera to the right thing. Forgot I disconnected it. Anyways, there we go. Anyways, I'm wondering if you're using OAuth for granting access to your application. Is that right?
No,
Are
no,
you
no, 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 no.
okay?
Uh, let me explain. Basically, right now, when I will like share the link with you guys don't have to like log in on my platform. Okay, when you will open the link, you would see the feed which I was like representing some time ago. Okay, basically the tweet with the tweets, more recent tweets at the middle, and the categories on the left side, and the guide or something like that on the right side. So you don't have to like log in anything on my platform, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
when you want to comment on a tweet, what you have to do is like basically have some kind of logged in session on your phone or on your like Chrome browser, something like that, okay. if you want to comment, okay, that's the I should say the flow. Basically, when you would like try to comment on it, you will be like redirected to the Twitter's page, okay. Then there you simply use the platform how you guys use the Twitter, okay. You just comment on it. If you have logged in, you would be able to comment. If you haven't logged in, then you would first log into Twitter with your credentials and then like comment on a tweet, okay, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Your
Yeah, so
question is a little
basically,
different though, right? Apple Store, yours is more like in regards to how that bot operates, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really good, Salman. You should listen to this.
yeah. Regarding the bot, what my bot is doing is basically I have a like demo account made for this purpose. Okay, I have a demo account. That demo account is similar to any account that you sign up on the Twitter. Okay, I have set the user ID and password into my Puppeteer like program. Okay, so when it goes to the Twitter, it logins with those credentials which I have like hard coded in the program. Okay, and then like when it gets logged in, then it's like it goes to the tweet handle page, okay, the Twitter profile page. Then it like sees the tweet which sees the most recent tweet and then scrap those tweets and then uh, store them in a database and then after that display those on like my platform, my website, okay. So that's the like flow which right now it is being implemented.
Yeah, so I think what Apple Store was gonna say, because he was talking about this a little earlier while you were still trying to reconnect. I think if I summarize this correctly, I think what Apple Store was gonna suggest to you was one way to help with the whole like bot login issue thing. Because
Yeah.
one thing that he was suggesting is if you are using your bots to fetch the bots that are fetching the tweets off Twitter, if you use, I think it was OAuth is what you were saying. So OAuth was what Apple Store said was that it has a refresh token, and that could help you with staying logged in, and so that you can continuously keep scraping without having to encounter the sign-in issue that Twitter's complaining about.
Okay, let me elaborate. So basically, what you are trying to advise me is that I should use the open authentication method, for example, like sign in with the Google or something like that. Is that you guys are suggesting me?
Is that what you were suggesting, Apple Store? Something along those lines?
It's something similar like that, but I'm kind of reconsidering how. All right, your application needs permission from users, correct, to scrape data?
No, it doesn't need permission. Okay, it what it needs is basically somehow get somehow like get in the Twitter, okay, somehow bypass the login, how bypass basically entering the user ID and the password and then get straight into the Twitter, and then after that it's like completely free. It can do whatever it wants and everything is done. Basically the main like problem I am like facing is basically it has to like always try to log in first, then it like has to scrap the tweets. There are like two steps. It first has to log in into the Twitter and after that it is able to scrap the tweets. But if somehow I can create a system that it doesn't has to every time it has to like fetch some kind of tweet, it doesn't have to like log into the Twitter. So that's the main wall. It has to always try to like log in first. If there is some kind of solution that can keep it logged in, that would be a pretty like damn great solution and my problem would be solved within a matter of time.
Yeah, so you're actually doing the username and password as the login?
Yeah. Now one thing I want to mention is basically also didn't in the last session I told Kyon and Mario that I basically to do this thing I had two different approaches. One approach was to go with the Twitter API and the second way was to go with the scraping method. when I searched the Twitter API, I saw the price tag which was way high than my budget. So I completely scrapped that approach and went with the scrapping method. Now, in the scrapping method, there's basically, if you have done some kind of scrapping, you know that you have to uh, basically it behaves similar to how human behaves. Basically, it goes to the URL, then tries to log in, enter the password, goes to a certain page, clicks on a button, and all this is happening. Okay, so that's the approach I have gone with. If I had gone with a Twitter, that would be pretty easy because Twitter has an API for this to basically fetch the tweets. And if I can remember, maybe 10 million tweets per month or so for maybe $5,000 or something monthly. So, but that is just way too high for me right now. I can afford it right now. So that's the reason why I choose the scrapping method, because it was the only method I have to go with. So that's the reason.
Now, sorry. So wait, do you think there's a way to log in, get that refresh token as well as the login token, not via the API, but you could do it in a different way? Maybe there's like a way to through application sign in.
Yeah, Kevin, one thing I want to mention is that last night me and my co-partner were experimenting with it. Basically, what he had an idea. Basically, he had an idea that, hey, he knew that these browsers save some information, okay, on your some kind of system in some kind. There is a special directory in a system called temp. Okay, so browsers store information at that place. So basically what his idea was, hey, if we store those whatever the shit these browsers generate at a time of login, if we store those in that temp directory at the first time, it would log in. It has to log in order to get those file downloaded and put it in the temp directory. And next time it has to access that temp directory in order to just bypass the login and just went straight to the scraping thing, straight to the tweet. Okay, so we were experimenting with it. Okay, we thought that we have solved the problem, but unfortunately, right now the way we have implemented it doesn't uh, so the problem has not been solved fully. So basically there is some kind of loophole, but I think this is the strategy we have got. Okay, basically the plan we have set up, but I think there is some kind of implementation, I should say inefficiency, that is causing the problem, which I think won't take much time. If 1 or 2 days maybe max, hopefully that would be fixed. So
Awesome.
that's the strategy.
So
Awesome.
you've managed to get the temporary data working, or at least stored.
Yeah, basically, yeah, that's the point. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Yeah, I feel that method is going to solve your problem. I don't know what's causing you to not causing that to not work yet, but I feel you're getting close.
Yeah, I am pretty confident that we are gonna do this within this week and start the better testing process in maybe 1 or 2, 3 days, hopefully. Yeah.
Awesome. Good luck on that, Salman. I'm sure you guys seem like you have a lot of experience with these kinds of things. So yeah, sounds like it, at least.
Yeah, I wanna give credit to the partner which is helping me along this journey, because I thought that this system was pretty easy to make, but when we dig deeper, we understand, man, this is really difficult thing to pull off. Sounds really easy to do this, but is really difficult to pull off. So I want to give give credit to him, because he has put in a lot of work and time in this. Without his guidance, I won't be able to come at this level of this project. So thanks to him.
Awesome.
Basically, me and him are a team. Okay, basically he has a lot of experience in the backend stuff. I have experience very good in like front end department. So together combo ma- together we make a pretty good combination, as you can see for yourself. So
Yeah.
that's the like reason we are like going very fast, and within like maybe 2 or 3 days we are gonna do this, hopefully.
I hope it works out.
Yeah.
But let's keep this boat rowing or this car moving. So Mario, would you like to go next?
Sure. Let me just mention regarding the what was that? AWS Comprehend, right? So I
Yeah,
think what you should do with those, because you asked me about the categories, right? I
yeah,
mean, the only thing that you have to do is use their API. It's a simple API where you just send in some data that you want to get analyzed, right? And what you
yeah,
want to analyze are tweets, right? And what the API is going to do is going to give you back a couple of tags, right?
yeah,
So it's going
yeah,
to tell you if, what is the tweet about. I mean, the more text you give it, the higher the chance that it's going to, guess correctly what it is, right? So
yeah,
so basically, if you have a tweet, it's going to tell you, hey, this is most likely about books, or it's
yeah,
most likely about cars, right? And then you just take
yeah,
those and you put it on your list, and that's that. But the question that I actually had regarding your system is, so you said once you get all those tweets, right, for the people who have the highest engagement in those categories that you're interested in, you said
yeah.
then you're going to engage, right? You're going to promote. So how do you think the user is going to promote to them?
That's like right now in the like pure simple manner you are going to like comment on the tweet. Basically, you see for example, you see the Elon Musk tweet that was just posted 1 minute ago or something like that, seconds ago, and you are gonna just click on the comment on tweet button, and you will be like redirected to the tweet, and then you will like in the comment section you would craft a like really good message, really good promotional message, I should say, and then just post it in the most simplest manner. This would be the uh this would be the method for now in the like
Okay.
initial launch. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Then in the future launches, what I am gonna do is basically create some kind of system that you guys don't have to go to the Twitter. Okay, you guys would be able to like tweet. You guys would be able to like comment on my platform. You guys won't be. You guys don't have to go to the Twitter and then comment. You guys would be able to comment on my platform. Okay. Now in the third in the third phase, what I'm gonna do basically is basically by using some kind of AI, I am gonna like suggest you the best crafted message. Hey, Mario, this is the tweet, and I think this is the best promotional message for this tweet. And then you would just click on a button. Yeah, I like it, and the comment would be posted. Okay, you won't be. You don't have to like type the whole damn message. Okay, but you just see the generated message from the AI, and then just hit the post button and your comment will be posted. So that makes sense.
Yeah, that's
That
great.
makes sense. But if
Yeah.
there's, if there are a lot of people, right,
Yeah.
that your system recommends, what you could do is you don't necessarily have to post to their tweet. You can just add them, right? So you can have a system that just goes and says, for each person that you've just recommended me, make a tweet, right? Or just make one tweet and add all of those people, right? Because what if it suggests 100 people, right? If it recommends 100 people, you're probably not going to go through all of them. So you need to have something that's automated, right? So yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that's that.
yeah, definitely.
That's an interesting idea. That way you
Yeah.
can maximize outreach to all those.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because if you think of books, right? Something that you've mentioned, how many people are interested in that, right? You're probably, I mean, there are like thousands of recommendations that you're going to get for
Yeah,
something
yeah,
like that.
yeah. One thing I want to add is that basically I was like having a conversation with my tester. Like I also like found him on the Twitter. Okay, So I discussed this idea with him. So he thought, hey, don't do this. Basically, he was like stopping me. Hey, don't do this, because this way everyone would be like sounding the same. Okay. So what you should do is basically you have a scrapping method. Okay. So you won't have the problem to like scrap my profile also. Okay. You scrap my profile, give that data to a machine learning model, understand it. Hey, okay, this type of person has this type of, like, I should say, writing style or sounding style. Okay, then use that metaphor and then generate a comment that resonates with me, with my personality, and then like post it. So that was the like his idea, and I really like the idea of that person. So I am gonna like also do that also. Basically, you guys would I would be like scraping your tweets also, and then generating some kind of, I should say, AI, I should say, the version of yourself basically, and then that model would be like generating the comment, which would like look like you really like wrote the comment, you really spoke the comment, or I should say. So that's the also the feature which I would like implement it. But first, like, I want to like simply get it done in the simplest manner, and then like grow gradually and make it advanced, so that you guys don't have to like put in a lot of effort. Okay, that's the like my whole point. You guys should be able to promote at the fastest rate possible, without like putting too much energy or headache on it. You just come here and just click a button and your promotions are done.
Yeah,
So that's the like vision. Yeah.
Yeah, makes
that'd
perfect
be
sense.
nice.
Yeah.
I hope you can get it to work. Because
Yeah.
I think all of us here would love to use that as a platform for better self promotion, because it's hard. Twitter's hard to like navigate by yourself.
Yeah.
And so having Promoseed would be that'd be nice.
Yeah, it's an honor, bro. It's an honor. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thanks, man.
But with that being said, Mario, take it away.
Yeah, let's see.